got lucky bracelets. Yay! The views from this hotel were absolutely immaculate. Like, we were right along the ocean. It was kind of like a lake type thing. Not really lake, I believe it's ocean. And it was just absolutely beautiful. The sun was going down on the beach, was gorgeous. I think in the last video I showed me just walking stroll on the beach. That was just beautiful. It was quite peaceful, quite relaxing. But I will say the breeze, the winds are strong. Anyways, it's time to go to dinner. I love a good meal. I love a good food. And this restaurant was a 10 out of 10. Let's go. We got here. Ambience 10, reception 10, customer service 10. Beautiful. Listen, I'm going to find a good restaurant. Will it be expensive? Just a tad bit. But I'm going to find a good restaurant. I enjoyed everything I ate here on this night. Everything was yes. Even the sweet treat at the end. And the beautiful thing about it is that they gave us a bracelet. They gave us a cute little bracelet at the end. Yeah, when you spend your money at a good place, the service speaks for itself. I will say that. I hope you enjoy the views and all of that. Let's go. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop a like. Drop a like right now. Just drop a like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Please.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Thank you. This restaurant is absolutely beautiful. No, I say the restaurant is absolutely beautiful. Giving me a little cute box stand. I'm not going to tell any lies. The customer service was really good here. And now it's time to look at the menu and time to see what we're going to get tonight. I didn't do a lot of videos. I'm very sorry. I am currently living in the moment, so to say. But I did quite a few videos. Just a few. I hope you enjoy.
The Corina? Can I have the Corina?
Got fresh bread.
Fresh so clean, love me in and out. I'm feeling lean.
Jumping in real quick to say, isn't that the cutest presentation for a drink? It comes in a shoe. What? Sexy. So this is basically the layout of the restaurant. You enter from downstairs, they send you up in an elevator, you're seated, and then they serve you. And listen to me, it was absolutely beautiful. We were seated next to the ocean. I think during the daytime it looks really, really cute, but at night you can't see anything. But yeah, look at what we ate. Listen, this was like a meat pie type thing. The crust was yummy. Okay, so the meatballs are underneath. We were supposed to crack it open. We cracked it a little bit, and then these were the juiciest, most yummiest meatballs ever. I wanted to video everything, so I was like, serve yourself, do what you have to do, but let me video it. Is it kind of sexy? Is it giving influencer? Is it giving cool? I wanted him to crack it open. Ooh, what is it giving? Now this was dinner. All right, so that was a chicken breast, I believe, on top of some pasta, basically in layman terms. And that was a potato, I believe, and it was stuffed with some sort of meat. I'm trying to remember. Oh no, this is the sweet potato. The sweet potato was busting, had cheese on top. This chicken right here, that chicken right there, 10 out of 10. The potato was really good. He had like a meatball type thing, I believe. I can't remember right now. But I'm telling you everything. And then they came and they did the whole Italian shredded of the cheese. It was definitely 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Delicious. If I remember what I bought, I will put it in the comments. But let's just do a quick overview of what I bought. Here it is.
Those are fucking good.
Or something, but 10 out of 10. You can bring the pictures. If you go to Nicolette, just bring the pictures, show the pictures, select these. Yeah. So he came over, he gave us, he did that whole Italian session with the cheese. This is really cool. And then the only thing I want to highlight is that this meal right here, it was not the best, the one in the bowl. I don't know, it was like a potato shredded thing. It was not good. I know they're showing us the sweet treat. I saw on.
This is with mascarpone cheese.
Okay, so let me add some context. So basically, when they're presenting, they do a presentation for the dessert, right? All the sweet treats that they have on the menu, they come out, they bring on a tablet, they show you what they have, they show how it's going to present it on your table. It was really fancy. I love that. And then you get to choose what you wanted to do. They explain what the ingredients are. We love that one. That one is sexy. That one is cute. Can you guess which one I chose? But it had some really cute ones. You had gold bars, you have different things, you have fruits, you have different aspects of it. And I love that. I love the presentation. I love all of that. And then we selected what we wanted. So they brought out the ice cream and the coffee, and then they're going to do the demonstration for us. And yeah, I love these type of things. So here they go. Ooh, wasn't that sexy? Okay, so because it's hot coffee being poured on top of ice cream, of course it starts to melt. But we're there trying to hold it up for a photo. But isn't it?
Enjoy.
Thank you.
We got lucky bracelets. Yay! Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and check out the next video. Mwah! Love you. Yes. D the Traveler signing out. Bye.